Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Live, Love, Carnival is a gorgeous color. I love this pop of color on my nails. It makes me feel like I'm on the beach sipping a beautiful drink. Even though this color is very rich when it goes on for one coat, I like to use 2 coats because it helps keep my nails strong as I use my hands a lot in my work. Live, Love, Carnival. It's a color that goes with so much that I wear. I love making my nails look just like they came out of the salon. Salon quality with a price that's not going to break your bank. Try OPI nail lacquer. Live, Love, Carnival is one of many beautiful colors. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.